I am assistant professor in the Department of History and Philosophy, and I specialize in social studies methods, so I work closely with teacher education and the students preparing to teach social studies at the secondary and elementary levels. I graduated from the College of Ed's doctoral program in educational studies, and in that time, as I was a student, I was also a lecturer in teacher education as well in history and philosophy with social studies methods. When the opportunity came to join faculty in 2020, I was of course going to jump on it. What I love about EMU is the community of which I'm a part of. I don't think there's a day I don't enjoy getting up and coming to work at EMU. Community really drives what I do as a teacher. I want my students to feel like they belong in the classroom and additionally belong in the profession. I work on a lot of building trust with my students. And I work from a place of joy, that I want my learning classroom to be a place of joy. So my philosophy is deeply rooted in the democratization of education. I really believe that education is what is society, and that all of my students hopefully will leave the classroom feeling like that they are not only just members of a community, but they see themselves as citizens that are empowered within the communities in which they live. So much what I do is building that identity in students. So this professional identity that they have as teachers, but also an identity as a citizen with agency and efficacy that can go out in the world. So because I teach teachers who are aspiring teachers, my goal for them is to build a professional identity as a teacher. I want them to have the knowledge and skills of the social studies disciplines, that they have an individual sense of efficacy and also a professional efficacy, that we are part of something and we work together collectively. Teaching is really hard and our students go in to teach in high schools and elementary schools, and it's really hard. And I think that sense of community builds resilience in them, that they can go into the classrooms and be happy and joyful and the resilience they need to stay there and impact their students. I am so honored to be recognized with the Collins Teaching Award. Many of my colleagues here have earned the award, and I feel like I'm part of a really special club of amazing educators. So it really means so much to me to be now a member of that club.